Germany after BDS is the topic of today's video. A lot of people will be thinking, why Germany? Whenever dentists plan to leave India after BDS, they look at the developed nations first. And one choice that stands out is Germany. So if you're interested in today's topic of how to practice in Germany after BDS, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Satish Kumar and this is Kaizen Dental. Our aim here is to help dentists succeed. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 4 steps to practice dentistry in Germany after BDS. Towards the end, we'll also be discussing our take about the entire process. So do not forget to watch the video till the end. There are 4 steps to the entire process. Step number 1, study German. Why is study German the step number 1? Because it helps you in the step number 2, that is application for the FSP examination. Step number 3 is the FSP examination, and step number 4 is the KP test, the knowledge test, or the approbation as it is called. In step number 1, that is studying German, you need to clear A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1 of the German language examinations. Then comes submission of your documents or the application process for the FSP examination. In this, you need to submit a signed CV which has to be in German, your school leaving certificate, your BDS graduation certificate, your internship completion certificate, if you have any experience, your experience certificate, a valid passport copy. You need to go to the police station nearby and get a police certificate which is not more than 3 months old, stating you have no cases or any investigation against you going on currently. You would also need a good standing certificate from your dental council, the language certificate stating that you have cleared the B2 and the C1 examinations. You would also need to meet a German doctor and get a medical certificate done. Now, how do you find a German doctor in India? You have to meet the doctor associated with the German consulate. Other than this, you also need to have a signing letter from a clinic or a hospital stating the date you're going to join them. I would be explaining this part more towards the end when we discuss our opinion about practicing in Germany. All the documents which you submit need to be translated to German by an authorized German translator. The 3rd step is the FSP examination, also known as the German Medical Language Test. Why is it called the Medical Language Test? Is basically it sees if you are in a dental setting, whether you are able to converse with the patient and other dentists in German. The FSP examination is a 1-hour examination in which you have 3 parts of 20 minutes each. In the first station or the first room you enter, you will meet an actor who will be acting as a dental patient. They will give you their entire history in German. You will have to listen, ask questions and try and understand their dental condition. You are not allowed to examine the patient. Based on your entire history taking, you will enter station number 2 after 20 minutes, where you will have to document the entire findings in German on a case history form submitted by them. Once you're done with the 20 minutes of the second lot, you enter into station number 3, where there will be dental examiners. Their dentist will ask you questions about your findings. They will ask you various questions related to dental radiography as well. They might give you OPGs or intraoral periapical radiographs and ask you to state the findings. This entire process, as I stated, is to know whether you can speak German fluently in a dental setting. Once you clear this examination, you will get a permit to practice in Germany for temporary basis of 2 years. Within these 2 years, you have 3 attempts to clear the next examination, that is the approbation or the KP examination. The approbation is a 4-hour examination which includes both viva as well as practical. In the practical part, you have to work on phantom heads or dental mannequins and do one of the following procedures, which might include silver amalgam restorations, crown preparations, access cavity preparations. The viva would be in depth, trying to understand your knowledge about dentistry as a whole. There will also be questions related to dental radiography asked. Once you clear the KP examination, you get permission to practice in Germany permanently. Before we move on to what is our take about the entire process of practicing in Germany, I hope you enjoy our videos and are subscribed to our channel, because we keep on posting such content regularly. Other than that, I hope you do not forget to hit the like button, because a lot of effort goes into making these videos. Now, what is our opinion about the entire process? There are 2 crucial steps which you need to remember. One is studying German. Your entire practice in Germany is based on knowing their language. So, studying German is a very crucial step. The second is getting a job offer, either to practice or to observe in a clinic from Germany even before you give your first FSP examination, is slightly difficult sitting here in India. Many people whose spouse is already working in Germany have an added advantage. Since they are there, they can approach various clinics and hospitals for the same. There are, however, certain institutions which provide courses or programs where you can prepare for these FSP and approbation exams. They have tie-ups with various clinics and hospitals out there. They would help you with the entire process. Practicing in Germany after BDS is one of the tougher options as compared to other countries. But if you're solely focused, you can surely give it a try. I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is Kaizen Dental. Our aim here is to help dentists succeed.